Definition battery as connector in SpaceCable. To assign pins for battery, we need to define it as connector. Go to Definition tab in SpaceCable, Connector Common Group, and click Define button. In the opened menu, select Path. As battery has round poles, we leave round shape of pins. Click Edge and specify circular edge of first pin. Put P, it means plus or positive, in pin number text box and click Attach pin number. Then specify bottom circle and define it as M, minus or negative. Also, you can add some attributes, info such as part number, description, producer, etc. It's necessary to define view direction. Go to the view direction in menu and define top and front direction. After finishing with definition, click Apply and OK in Pins tab. In result, we can see new features in Path, Pins and Position attributes.